Hi there, today we're looking at the Ecovacs Deebot X1 Omni, and I'm really excited about this. This is an all-in-one robotic vacuum and mopping cleaner, and it's loaded with incredible features. So it has a station. You can see in the picture here in the box there's the robot vacuum cleaner and mop, but also it's got this big station, and the reason why that's quite tall is because we can see here that includes the water tank and things like that, as well as a charging station. So this is a combo vacuum with great sucking power and also a mop with dual spinning heads. But more than that, it also has a little camera and built-in AI smarts to help it detect obstacles. It has a voice control assistant and all sorts of things, and it's quite impressive. I'm really looking forward to this. The last time I had a robot vacuum cleaner, oh gosh, was a long time ago. So in 2007 I bought one, and initially I was amazed by how much stuff it sucked up. I was appalled by how filthy my house was. It went under the couch and sucked up dust and dirt and hair, but oh my goodness, it had all sorts of problems afterwards, because sometimes the back of it would fall off, and then it would drag its dust tray around, leaking dust all over the house, or it would get stuck on one of the children's shoelaces. I found I often had to clean up the house before I used that vacuum cleaner, also as well, it would run through, I don't know, something filthy and then track it through the house, far out. So anyway, I'm really excited to see the great advances in technology, especially because this one, not only is it fully featured, with a vacuum and a mop, but also, the camera to avoid detections. It's also got a voice controlled assistant, so you can just tell it, like we can see in the picture here, okay, you can't clean under the sofa, because it's, maps out your house and things like that. So I'm going to give this a good try. So I've already just cut open the top, and we can see here, tells us how we should open it. In fact, I'm standing the wrong direction. So, okay, so take out the station this way. So I'm going to need two hands for that. But first, I'll just take out this little bit here. And there we are, there's a station. Oops, it's just got a bit of dirt on it from the packing, which is fine. If I pull this out, okay, so this box here, oh, that is the Deebot X1 himself, and this is his stand with the charger and tank and things like that. So I'm going to use both hands and set this up and give it a quick wipe, and we will see how it goes.